Okay, it's recording. Okay. So for our project, the project that we used in assignment 2, this is the repository. It is made in React, and as you can see, the backend is made with Express and Firestore. And here we have added some Docker files for CI/CD pipeline. As you can see, if you go in the settings and if you go into collaborators, all the team members have access to this project, and they can. As you can see, 5 people have access to this project. So yeah, they can uh, edit the code. Here is the Jira for our team. This is the Jira for Team Turing, and as you can see, this is all the stuff that we have to do for this project. In Jenkins, first let me show you. If we see in the services, Jenkins is running, and it is running on port 8000. So first let me show you that if you go in Jenkins dashboard and if you go into manage Jenkins and let it load. Okay, if we go into credentials, as we can see, this is the credential for this is on the global level. This is the credential for Jira API. This is the credential for GitHub, and this is the credential for Docker. So everything is added to the pipeline. All the these are the API access tokens are all integrated here. So now let me show you the code. If we open the code through GitHub desktop here on Visual Studio Code, we can see that we made changes. We refactored 2 files. So one of the files is submitstudent.js. Here in this file we refactored it because this is the original code. This is the refactored code. Okay, so we refactored it because the previously this code, it was long method, it had duplicate code, and it had a primitive obsession. So we refactored it, and then for we refactored another class. That class is shared no, not shared login. In that class is get students. Here this class we refactored it. As you can see, this is the original code, this is the original code, and this is the refactored code here. So we refactored this because it showed it had long method. It was a long method. It had long method problems, and it had primitive obsession, and it had duplicate code. So we extracted some functions, developed some custom hooks, and for form handling. Now let's say if we want to make some changes. For example, here in the main file here, in the home file, it's student management system dashboard, right? That's what it says. Now we will make it and we will push the changes to GitHub. As you can see, the changes are here. Let's say title change, here title change, and we commit and we push it. And if we open up Jenkins, we can see that this will be building. This is our project on Jenkins. As we can see, this will be building. Okay, so it has built. Okay, no, so it pushed the code. Now it needs to build. Let's build it. Okay, it's showing progress. If we go into console output, we can see all the scripts running. I also want to show you that here we added a Docker file. In this Docker file, we will be mentioning all the scripts that will be running on the background in the CI/CD pipeline. and here is also a docker.ignore file that will be ignored when the image will be created on the Docker. So it is still making the it is still building, and about 5 to 6 minutes, and as you can see we have exported the image to the Docker. We are also running the Docker container, and the status is success. So if we go into our Docker, we can see that on our containers page, and this is a container, and this container is running this image. This is the image that was just uploaded. It was done automatically, and basically if we run port 3000, when we click on port 3000, this our system will be in use. If we go in admin 123, it will be used. Basically we can write anything. Okay, so yeah, it works. So yeah, that would be our project. Thank you very much.